Hey guys, so in this video I'll be reviewing the KTEBO electric lighters. So I bought a 2-pack. I will be testing it out and see how it works. So as mentioned, I have two. Let's be putting down one, and then let's test it out. Before that, you can see this is where there will be an electric circuit that will basically run from one end to another, which will cause a spark, and that spark will help to ignite if you have a gas stove. Now this is perfect for those persons who, like myself, who have been using a matches box to basically light their gas stove. So using this will enable you to be able to not run out of the matches sticks, because if you're anything like me, you'll be cooking a lot and you run out of sticks and you have to end up running to a store. With this, all you need to do is charge, and you have two. So if one is down, the other is available. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do is that you're going to need to push up the switch, and this will show you that's on and show you how much batteries have in terms of charge. And then if you can see that right there will start the fire. So let's just try it on a gas stove. So here we go. You can see the flames. Awesome. So let me just turn off this. Oops. Alright, so you can basically charge it with a USB Type-C cable if it's running low. Really a good investment. I encourage anybody to get one. It feels sturdy. The top is flexible, so you can basically maneuver it any way you want to, especially if you're going to do like barbecues and stuff and you need to maneuver it between the grill. You can easily do that, but this is flexible. And if you're on a picnic, or just rather camping, easily you can start a little bonfire. You can roast your marshmallows and so forth without going into detail. There are a lot of things you can apply this to. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more reviews like this if you enjoy these reviews or if you find these reviews helpful. Thank you.